Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Heavy barricading. Delhi Police, Haryana Police, Border Security Force, and even the Rapid Action Force. These were the images at Delhi's northern and southern borders Thursday, as Punjab and Haryana farmers commenced their march to the national capital in protest against the centre's 3 new farm laws. The farmers who were camping in Karnal on Wednesday night met the wrath of the Haryana State Police as they attempted to reach Delhi. Water cannons and tear gas shells were fired to disperse the protesters. Farmers, however, remained undeterred and continued moving towards the national capital. Back in Delhi, the Delhi and Haryana police laid out barbed wire, barricades, and even deployed riot police in anticipation of the farmers' arrival. Massive security deployment at the Delhi-Haryana border. As you can see behind me, massive deployment. There's barbed wire, barricading. Delhi police along with Haryana police are keeping vigil over here to ensure that farmers who are protesting against the centre's 3 farm laws cannot enter Delhi. Now remember, farmers from Punjab and Haryana are marching to Delhi today in protest against the centre's 3 farm laws, and these security personnel have been deployed to ensure that they don't enter Delhi. There's massive security. You can see no vehicle is being allowed to enter. Delhi has become a fortress as farmers are trying to march to the national capital.
दिल्ली हरियाणा बॉर्डर पे हमारा ये अरेंजमेंट है, जो एक किसानों की कॉल है उसको लेके, ये पेंडेमिक है, इसको देखते हुए एक अरेंजमेंट है। आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो है जो गाड़ियाँ हैं वो नॉर्मली मूव कर रही हैं, चेक होके अलाउ हो रही हैं, और किसी तरह का जो है कोविड को लेके इस तरह का कोई वायलेशन ना हो, उसी के मद्देनजर रखते हुए सारा अरेंजमेंट है और उसी हिसाब से वो चेकिंग चल रही है उसमें।
With both entry and exit to Delhi blocked, hapless commuters were caught in traffic snarls that lasted hours.
अब यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम लगे, इतना ही वहाँ से लगा, पानीपत से यहाँ तक इतना यहाँ लग गया। यहाँ से 1 घंटे में 1-1.25 घंटे के खड़े यहाँ पे।
अच्छा, आपको पता है किसानों का रैली हो रहा है इस वजह से?
नहीं, हमें नहीं पता था, यहाँ आके पता लगा हमें। तो किसानों को तो है, ये पब्लिक भी परेशान हो रही।
जाम में कब से खड़े हो आप?
1.5 घंटा हो गया।
अच्छा, आप इधर कहाँ जा रहे थे?
मैं इधर जा रहा था बुराड़ी साइड।
कहाँ पे?
बुराड़ी
साइड।
जी।
अच्छा, तो अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं ये लोग, खोलने वाले नहीं? क्या लग रहा है?
कोई जवाब नहीं है, मतलब इन्होंने जाम कर दिया ना, कोई वो बताया भाई गाड़ी, मतलब रूट डिवाइड करते हैं, यहाँ जाम करने की क्या जरूरत है? अगर आपको बताया रोड जाम है तो पब्लिक को बोल दो भाई रूट डिवाइड करके जाओ आप। हाँ। अचानक बंद कर रहे हो, कोई इमरजेंसी में कोई भी एम्बुलेंस आई ना, उसको नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं, किसी को इमरजेंसी पड़ जाए तो अचानक इन्होंने गेट मतलब दिल्ली जाने का सही बंद कर दिया।
अच्छा, आपको नहीं पता है क्यों बंद किया?
कुछ नहीं पता मैडम, ये तो अचानक ही मतलब बंद कर दिया रास्ता, तो रूट डिवाइड कर दो आप।
At the Delhi-Haryana border, you can see behind me, awaiting the farmers' arrival, the Rapid Action Force personnel have also been deployed over here. They're just getting into position over here. Traffic on both sides has been stalled completely. Delhi police are holding guard on this side and Haryana police are holding guard on this side. Traffic has been completely stopped. Now people are being forced to walk and cover the extra distance over here. People are asking, what is the reason that commuters have to bear the brunt of this extra security deployment here at the Delhi-Haryana border? On the other end of the capital, at Gurugram, the Haryana police conducted checks on buses but allowed the passage of private vehicles. The Delhi police brought in paramilitary forces along with the local police.
There's one company of outside force, that is paramilitary, and besides that there is around one company of local police.
How many is that in numbers?
Around 150 odd in total.
Just from Delhi police's side?
No, from Delhi police's side it's the local police, it's around 70 odd,
Okay.
and from the outside police force it's around 70, so around 150.
And they have been on duty since yesterday?
No, since 12 midnight.
Like, have you got any inputs if farmers are coming from this side, or if this is just a precautionary measure?
It's a precautionary measure. However, we have inputs that they'll assemble at Pachgaon Chowk in Manesar. So that will be handled by Haryana Police.
And have you like sent any cars back yesterday, or arrested anyone, or suspected anyone who are farmers going to protest in Delhi?
Nil so far. Nothing so far.
And what are you expecting in the course of the day and tomorrow?
See, according to the inputs, we are expecting some movement, but as of now, so far we have not encountered any. But we are prepared. We have already prepared ourselves for the worst.
Here too, barricading caused a nuisance for daily commuters, with cars, buses and trucks lined up bumper to bumper on the Delhi-Gurugram border. Commuters took up to 2 hours to cross a stretch that otherwise takes 15 minutes. With the farmers undeterred and unwilling to call off their march, Delhi will continue to remain a fortress on Friday as well. This is Shravasti Dasgupta and Taran Deol with Manisha Mondol for The Print.